That was weird as fuck. Oh my god. I just blew my turbo! Fuck! Yo. It's official. I just blew my turbo. Look at this. I just blew it again. This is the second turbo. Oh man. Boys. This is not good. Look. Just look at this. Oh my god. Unbelievable. This fucking sucks. Only thing I can do now is fucking go home. Oh my god. Dude. This is so annoying. That was like the biggest waste of 20 seconds of my life. So, I don't know how I look on camera. This overexposed brightness probably makes me look really weird. But anyways, I blew a turbo again. This is actually the second turbo I've blown this year. So like there was a huge like 6-7 month gap between like videos I've made, maybe even more than that. The last video I had in my car driving, I was doing some drifting at that one spot and it sucked because I was basically one wheel peeling. I did get the diff welded. I had footage of it. I'm not even gonna try to dig for it though. That's all in the past, but I did do that. I did take the motor out of the car. I cleaned up a bunch of stuff. I had to get an oil pump. Blah, blah, blah. I made the car somewhat cleaner. Did some relocating of some things. And we got the car back on the road, running. And then I blew turbo number 2, which was the reason why the car went down in the first place, like 6 months ago. I'm actually going to try another turbo. Instead of getting like a stock replacement, I'm going to get an upgraded stock replacement called Twisted Motion. Some of you probably heard of it. I've heard some bad things about it, and I've heard some pretty okay things about it. It has to be better than getting a stock turbo because, I mean, the second turbo I got this year, I mean, I was like, yo, does it have any shaft play? He's like, nah, bro. And then I got it and it had a bad turbo seal, and I was like, well, that freaking sucks. So I used that up until the end of its life, and I mean, driving a turbo car with a bad turbo seal is not fun. But anyways, I talked to Martin. He said it's cool to run it on stock injectors and the stock tune that I have, or the tune that I already have on it. So it'd be fine. It's already like on a 14-pound wastegate, so I don't even really have to worry about boost pressure and over boosting it, because that's why I kept blowing turbos, stock Rb25 turbos, because I kept running like 15-17 pounds of boost on the 12 PSI max turbo, whatever. But yeah, I really hope to get this turbo in pretty quickly. I'm actually gonna order it like tomorrow, because this is like trying to do everything on your own like this comes with a consequence, and that main consequence is lack of seat time. So all that drifting I just did was not even considered drifting. I mean, that was trash. It was cool though that I did record all that, because I am seeing what I'm doing wrong, and I'm being a pussy, and I'm not committing, and I'm not staying on throttle. But that's for another time to discuss. So in the meantime, we're gonna worry about getting this turbo on the car as fast and efficient as possible, so we can make this car as efficient as possible, and yeah, start doing actual drifting. So thank you so much. Like and subscribe. It helps if you share it as well, and follow me on my Instagram. Should be like in the description, or maybe throw it like right here, who knows. But thanks. Also, I just did like a little video of my car. You should like watch that, or you can I'll just put it at the end of this. I don't know, just watch it.